Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to film a fall get ready with me, and I thought we could just sit and talk and do our makeup together. So let's just get right into it. First I'm going to go in with the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. Put that all over my face. Oh, by the way, I am using all drugstore products today, so I thought if you liked something that you saw that I put on my face, then you can just easily go get it at the drugstore. Next, I'm going to go in with my Colourpop No Filter Foundation in the shade Fair 35. I'm just going to put some of this on the back of my hand. I'm going to take my Morphe M439 brush and just put that all over my face. This is a really runny foundation. It's like running off of my hand. Have you guys checked out the new KL Polish line? The Fall in the City line? I love it. I love all those colors. I don't love Medusa, personally. My favorite shade is Jane and 1435 out of the new line. Those are really pretty. Those are just like the perfect fall shades in my opinion. I'm just gonna wipe the rest that was on my hand onto my beauty sponge. This is the Real Techniques beauty sponge. Just gonna flatten out all those brush strokes. Also, Kathleen Lights just had a major sale, 40% off, and she just posted it for her YouTube subscribers. I thought that was so sweet of her. That sale is like once in a never opportunity, so definitely took advantage of that. All right, for concealer, I'm going to go into the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. This is a 12-hour waterproof concealer. So that sounds good. I think I pressed too hard underneath my eyes because whenever I do this, I feel like little, needly pains. That's probably not good. Don't want little needly pains under my eyes. I miss the old days where I could just slap on some eyeliner and mascara and that's all I did for makeup. That's all I needed to do. I miss those days. All right, for setting powder, I'm gonna go into the Colourpop No Filter setting powder. And I've been noticing recently my foundation looks really powdery. Just looks too powdery, so I've been trying to use a light hand and a brush, but it hasn't been working. I don't know what's up with my skin, but it does not like any products that I've been putting on my face. Raw Beauty Christy tweeted the other day that same thing, like all of her Holy Grail makeup products she was putting on her face and nothing looked good. And I was like, yeah, same. I don't know why. Because I pretty much stayed the same as far as skincare goes, but still doesn't like me. So, whatever. Do any of you guys do fantasy football? My husband's really into fantasy football. He has like, oh my gosh, I don't even know how many leagues he's in. At least 5. At least 5. I don't know. I'd say more like 10, but I'm not sure. Well, anyways, I'm a part of 2. That's enough for me, for sure. It's kind of nice because it's like if you lose in one, you might win in the other one if you don't pick all the same people. So that's kind of nice about it. It also makes watching the games more fun. So if you're a wife that wants to hang out with her husband, you have to watch football with him, join his fantasy league. Try not to beat him, but join his fantasy league, and it's much more fun when you watch football with him. For bronzer, I'm going into the Milani Soleil Baked Bronzer. I think this is too deep for me, but I'm gonna go into it anyways. I haven't used this bronzer in so long, and I wanted to switch it up today. I use my Hoola bronzer like every day, but that's definitely not Drugstore. Butter bronzers. I don't know if I like butter bronzers right now. The Physicians Formula butter bronzer. I don't know if I like that I don't know if I like that bronzer. I've tried it. It's very bulky, just like this one. It's very bulky to travel with. Not fun to travel with. I don't know. I don't get the hype with the butter bronzer. I really don't. I don't know. For blush, I'm going to go into the E.L.F. blush palette. And I think I'm going to go into this brownie shade today. These are highly pigmented, so you got to be careful when applying these. For eyeshadow, I'm going to go into the Pixi by Petra Mesmerizing Mineral Plum Quartz palette. I think this is a very beautiful fall colored palette from the drugstore. I've used it a few times and I think I like it. I'm going to go into this top shade here. I'm just going to put that all over my eyes. Just to set the concealer that we put down. I'm just going to do a basic eye look. I'm not doing anything today, so I'm just going to do a really basic eye look. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here, kind of in the middle. I'm going to put that in my crease. And I'm going to kind of bring it down onto the outer corner of the lid as well. By the way, this is the Morphe M433 brush. Alright, now I'm going to take this brush right here. It's a more precise crease brush, and I'm going to go into this darker brown shade. I'm just going to focus that in the crease and the outer corner of the lid. I'm supposed to go get my oil changed later today, and I had to go grab the filter for it at the I don't know, the place where you buy oil filters. And the guy was like, "Do you want an air filter?" I was like, "I don't know. I'm just trying to change my oil." He was like, "Okay." I just feel so stupid when I go into those stores and they're just like, "You have no idea what you are doing here, do you?" I'm like, "Nope, I really, really don't. That's why I came in here and asked you." Now I'm just blending out those shades so we're looking pretty seamless. Pretty seamless. This isn't actually the best palette for seamlessness here. Alright, now I'm going to get a little crazy and go into this burgundy red shade with my Luxie 239 Precision Shader Brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the whole lid. Have any of you guys tried the new Colourpop Disney collection? I want to give it a try. I have a friend who loves Disney. She even works there at Disneyland, and now I'm like, I have a few good Christmas ideas, Christmas gift ideas for her. I thought it was pretty exciting when they came out with the Disney collection. It's like, oh, that's gonna be big. All right, I'm gonna take this Morphe M156 brush, the bigger side, and I'm gonna go into this darkest shade right here on the bottom and just pack that on the outer corner. Yeah, these shadows aren't very pigmented, so it's hard to get color payoff with them. But usually you don't have to worry about fallout when that is the case, so that's good. I'm gonna take this brush right here. I'm gonna go into that transition shade we used and just rub that on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take this, the Vintage Cosmetic Company smudger brush, and go into that deeper burgundy shade and smoke that on the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take that same Morphe M156 brush and go into that darkest shade and smudge it just on the outer corner where we put it on top. Okay, now I'm going to take this Milani crease brush and go into that top shade, the shimmer shade. I'm just going to highlight the inner corner with that. And the brow bone as well. And I'm going to get a little crazy and I'm going to use that as my cheek highlight because I don't have a drugstore highlight. So this is what we're going to try out. And it doesn't look too bad actually. Kind of works. Good to know. For a mascara, I'm going to go into the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. This is the color Mystic Black. Just going to brush out my eyelash hairs. Alright, and for lips, I'm going to go into the Maybelline Color Sensational Shaping Lip Liner in the shade Dusty Rose. I'm just going to line my lips with this. And then I'm just going to go into the Burt's Bees lipstick called Blush Basin in the color 501. Wow, those are totally different pinks. Oh well. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a super easy drugstore makeup get ready with me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week and I will see you soon. Bye. I don't like it over there. Foundation all over my lips. Crusty lips. That's not cute. Right now. Oh, my hair. I dropped my brush. Hold on. Got it. Okay. My candle isn't really doing anything right now. I don't know why. Oh, wrong shade. I'm gonna just pick up my other Morphe M433 brush. Get ready with me